You may sit down. Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please be seated. Is the defense ready? Stand up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please be seated. All right, we are going to begin with opening statements. The prosecution may start. Stand up.
Your Honor, members of the jury, my name is Singh, first initial Z, and I represent Mr. Jason Compson in this case. We intend to prove that Green Acres is responsible for Mr. Jason Compson's injury. Mr. Jason Compson is an innocent man who survived a traumatic injury caused by Green Acres negligence. Mr. Jason Compson was hanging up a mirror and setting up a mantle that was very precious to him, as it was his dead father's last gift to him. He was in a living room when a golf ball flew through his window.
No laughing in court.
When a golf ball flew through his window and hit him in the head, causing him to drop the mirror, damaging the mantle as well. It was brought up to Green Acres many times that T6 in the golf course was dangerous as it was very close to his house. It was also brought up that Mr. Jason Compson did not like seeing the golf course and was angry that the trees were removed. If the trees were kept and the course was not expanded, the accident would have never happened. We expect full compensation from Green Acres for emotional and physical damages, as well as the cost for the broken mirror and mantle. We also expect full compensation for the hospital bill and the stay at the hospital. When you have heard all the facts, please decide a verdict of guilty as that is the only just conclusion to this case. Thank you.
Thank you. Please be seated. Defense, you may present your opening statement.
Your Honor, members of the jury, my name is Dia Ram, and I represent Nora Lee in this case. In this case, we intend to prove that on the day of the crime, that Jason Compson was not hit by a golf ball, and that he just wants to harass Green Acres and have it shut down because he does not like that it is open to the public and that the trees were cut down. Please find Green Acres not guilty of having the golf ball hit Jason Compson. Thank you.
Thank you. Please be seated. Prosecution, you may call your first witness.
Mr. Jason Compson is his witness.
I call to the stand Jason Compson. Jason Compson, please be seated. Bailiff, please come up to swear in our first witness.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear